Hi, I'm Edward Hobbs and welcome to July's market video. Let's begin with the REIV's key market indicators. With around 5,500 auctions, days on market was 32 days, clearance rates of 82% and vacancy rates just under 6.5%. Let's cross to the Heron Todd White National Property Clock. Houses are pegged in the rising market, but it must be said though, with some finance narratives coming through from the RBA, we might be approaching the peak of the market sooner rather than later. And apartments, well, they're pegged at the start of recovery. Very much a split apartment market. As we said, the newer ones of course represent outstanding value for buyers, but the older style apartments in smaller complexes, low body corporate fees, well, they could easily be pegged in a rising market. Now, across to finance, the RBA held the cash rate at 0.10% through June, but there is some early data starting to come through about investors jumping back into the market. They're up 17.5% in their buyer activity, but first home buyers, though, interesting, are down 5.5%. Now, the RBA and APRA have come out and said that they are looking at tightening lending restrictions in an upswing, of course, of property prices coupled with increased household debt. Josh Frydenberg, of course, the Treasurer, has said that increased property prices is good for the economy. But he's also said there is a limit to the benefits of rising property prices. We certainly need to monitor them to ensure that they don't get overheated, which is exactly what APRA and the RBA are doing at the moment. The Commonwealth Bank of Australia, the nation's biggest lender, has jumped ahead of the regulators, now lifting the accessibility rate of new clients from 5.1% to 5.25%. Now, even though you can get rates under 2%, which is well documented, they are looking at lifting that accessibility rate, which is good to see for responsible lending. Now, across to some new government schemes that are brand new, rolling out as we speak. For owners that are 60 years and over, that have held their house for more than 10 years, they can sell that property now, the family sales house, and then they can put up to $300,000 into their superannuation. Now, this is expected to inject around $10 billion in property sales in 2022. So across to the family home guarantee, if you're a solo parent and you've got dependents of 4 years and over, you can borrow a deposit for as little as 2%. Now, 10,000 applicants are open per year, and this is certainly looking to increase the affordability for this difficult segment of the market if you are purchasing on your own. Now, across a couple of amazing listings that are going under the hammer. In July, we've got number 15 Parker Street, a double-fronted, completely rebuilt Victorian. This is over 3 levels. This has to be seen to be believed. That's got a price guide of 2.9 to 3.1. And a single front, number 84 Lord Street in Richmond, again, 3 levels, roof deck, city views. That's got a price guide of 2 to 2.2. So that's all we've got time for today, viewers. Thanks for watching. Great to be back on the video, and we'll see you in August.